check it out. This is a lot of fun. Do you remember these cassettes? This is a 5x8 cassette rug. And I think it's going to be really cool. It's a lot of nostalgia for me. It's a non-slip backing. So I don't have any other pads down or anything. So there it is on my wood floor. Does not move. The rug itself is fun because it's got a little slipperiness to it, which I think even the kids would love something like that because they can slide on it. But what a great print. You can see all the lettering clearly. Look at the cassette reels right there. If you remember all these kinds of things back in the day. And it feels good. It's soft. It's not plush. Keep that in mind, not plush at all. It is, it's not real thick, but it does bite the floor and it has a great, great fun look. So check these out, and they've got numerous other styles as well.